I really was not planning on filming this video today. I'm not sure what really prompted me to do this video. I think it's just like all the cozy fall vibes that I've been getting recently, but I wanted to share with you guys my go-to fall products. I have been in love with this Glassy Touch and Soul primer. This really is a great primer for the fall because it's so hydrating, but those of you with oily skin can definitely get away with this. I do see how those with dry skin would really like this primer. This has been an amazing base for my makeup. I feel like my makeup has just reached another level with this primer, and my skin looks 2 times better than it usually does, even with my amazing skincare routine that I am doing right now, which I will share with you. My favorite foundation combo right now is the Il Makiage and Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. Both of these are great for each other, and here's why. So this is a very light, buildable coverage. It's not heavy, it's very dewy and light and very natural. This concealer is very heavy and you get the coverage. So combine the two together and you have a match made in heaven. I get the coverage that I need underneath my eyes, but then the lighter coverage so it feels like I'm not wearing a bunch of makeup. So I really love this combination. It's perfect for my skin right now. I like for my skin to be able to breathe under my foundations. Even though I do like gravitating towards foundations that are a little bit more heavy during the fall and winter, this has been a really great way for my skin to transition into the heavier coverage foundations. I've definitely been including other foundations and rotating them in and out, but I found that for this time of the year, my go-to has been these two. My go-to blush has been in the Too Faced Natural Face palette, and it is the color in Pink Sand right here. It's like a mauve brownish toned blush, and it's perfect for this time of the year. I'm not looking for bright pink blushes right now. I'm looking for those warm toned, wear with any type of makeup look type of blush. This time of the year, I'm focused more on lip colors and eyeshadow, more so than I am the bright blush colors. I am wearing this highlighter today. This is the Juvia's Place Loose Powder Highlight in Clio. This has a beautiful, icy shift. Like, there's definitely colors in here. I see a lot of like silver and gold and pink glitter in here, but it's not chunky. It's very finely milled. It's not as amazing as my Artist Couture. This highlighter is very reasonably priced, so I feel like a lot of you would actually really fall in love with this highlighter. There are also several different shades in this highlighter, so there's a shade out there for everybody. Regarding my favorite eyeshadows, I have to mention this Kiko Eyeshadow. Okay, so this is their Magnetic Impact eyeshadow. I don't know what shade this is. It says 105. Maybe this is shade 105. Ombretto. So when you dip your finger in it, it's a little bit cool, and it's almost like very, I don't know, it's a wet formula, and it is the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today. And this is Copper Fall in an eyeshadow. Like, this is my favorite. I'm so glad that I found this eyeshadow. I actually found this in London. I was shopping in London, and I mentioned it in my London vlog, and I have literally fallen in love with this eyeshadow. This is not going to work out for you if you don't have some type of eyeshadow primer or base. So strongly suggest that you have one of those. I just use concealer, and I love how all of my eyeshadows look. I have not had one eyeshadow look that looks horrible with this eyeshadow. And I love combining it with the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. I have been using this so much, it's ridiculous. I really haven't been on board with too many Too Faced products, but this palette, I love it. So yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on this because I have mentioned this so much here on my channel. But I mean, how could you not? How cute is this? It's a win. I've been loving the I Love Colorpop Sarah collaboration. This is in the shade 951. This has the perfect amount of brown, mauve, purple in it to make it the perfect fall color for everyone. I'm actually not wearing this today. I'm wearing my Bite Beauty liquefied lipstick, and these are nice. They don't last. If you've never tried out Colourpop liquid lipsticks, You need to try them out. They're so comfortable. In my opinion, I feel like they're the best affordable liquid lipsticks out there, and they have such a great color range, and I feel like you just can't go wrong with Colorpop. I'm actually really surprised that I've fallen in love with this as much as I have, but I can't get over the fact that I've been reaching for this a bunch. I'm not really sure why, but it is a lip plumping gloss. It almost has like a mint tingle to it, but it does feel really nice and comfortable to wear. You do have to reapply it. I don't really like the applicator on this. I feel like it's too big, but it's very stunning, and I really like the thick, and that sounds bad. It is thick, but it's not uncomfortable. The color is so pretty and feminine and very flattering for so many people. My go-to setting spray for a while has been the Tatcha Satin Skin Mist. When I'm wearing heavier foundations or heavier concealer, I feel like it just affects my skin and makes me have a little bit of a breakout and have that extra texture. I haven't noticed an issue with texture as much these past few couple months because I'm pretty sure of this. And I haven't been having as much of an issue with oily skin. So I really think that it's due to this product, but also I really do think that it has to do with my skincare routine that I am on right now. So I have 3 skincare items that have really made a difference in how my skin looks with makeup. I think it also has to do with making sure that I'm using the right makeup products that my skin likes, and allowing my skin to breathe is a big thing too. The Origins Ginseng Refreshing Scrub Cleanser. If you have textured skin, you will love this. I have gone through so many of these. I actually have a bin over here of empty products, and there are about 4 or 5 of these in there, and that's over the span of like a year and a half. I go through these. These are my holy grail. I use my Glam Glow makeup cleanser to remove all my makeup, and then I will go in with this Ginseng scrub cleanser, and this is the best thing for my skin right now. So I actually do have to get another one. Thankfully, the Sephora VIB sale is here, so this will be one of the products that I do purchase during that sale because this is something that I always make sure I have. The next skincare item that I've been using quite frequently is the Origins Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. I have used this so much, and I need to get another one. Actually, I think I do have a backup of this. The Rose Clay does something for my skin. It does make it a little bit rashy sometimes if I use it too much, so I would definitely suggest using it maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. I was using it like 4 to 5 times a week. And I think that was a bit too much for my skin, and I needed to pull away from it a little bit and just kind of simplify my routine a little bit. I'm so proud of where my skin is right now, and I've worked hard to get there. I'm not a skincare like professional or anything, but I really do think that this makes a difference in how my skin appears. The last skincare item that I have been going to a lot these past couple days, especially since we've been traveling, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is great for those of you who have oily skin but need hydration. It looks all peely and weird when you wake up in the morning, but you just wash that away and your skin just feels so juicy and plump. It's like you inserted water droplets into your skin. I don't know. I really need to stop talking about skincare because we're done. That is the makeup and skincare aside. I wanted to talk about a few clothing items that I have fallen in love with this fall. The first item is this little hat. This is from And Other Stories. I don't even know what this is called. I forget. It's like a beret. They're just so much fun to go out and wear when you're walking your dog or something, or just going out for an errand. They're so cute, and nobody's wearing them. At least not in my area. Like, it's very, I feel like it's very European, but I don't care. I'll wear them. I think the reason why I've fallen in love with this so much is because Paul loves it on me. I can tell that he genuinely likes it on me, that it makes me love it even more. So there's the deal with that. I literally just got this in my Stitch Fix, so I feel like this is kind of cheating a little bit, but I wanted to mention it because I do love it so much. It's this infinity scarf, and it is legitimately the softest, coziest scarf I have ever laid eyes on or felt. I'm loving it, and I wear it with my big teddy coat, and it's literally the coziest fall outfit, and you can make it look good with any outfit. Like, you can wear jeans, you can wear whatever, and it'll look cute. I've been wearing this nonstop and almost questionably too much. It is from the brand And Other Stories, which it is very rare that I find something that I can actually afford on that website. I actually was able to go to the store for the first time a couple weeks ago because I don't believe that they have any stores in the US. But I was able to go and see one of their stores in person, and I actually filmed it and everything because I was that excited. This sweater is literally the same as the sweater that I was wanting from Free People, and it was for a much affordable price. It's pretty amazing because it's not like I can really afford this brand, but if you look out for sales and you look for products at the right time, you can get some amazing, amazing clothing items from that store. Let's be honest, I love my comfort, and I don't have any turtlenecks that are comfortable like this. So another sweater that has been overworn a bit too much, but is one of my favorite sweaters is this Madewell cardigan. I got this from my first Stitch Fix box, and I think this is one of the main reasons why I continued Stitch Fix, because this is such a great cardigan and it's so flattering and it goes with literally everything that I own. But the quality is there. It's from the brand Madewell. I've never owned anything from this brand. It also is another very expensive brand, and I love the pom-poms on it. The balloon sleeve is something I'm obsessed about this fall. Okay, so the last clothing item that I've been wearing nonstop is actually a pair of leggings. They are leather leggings from Spanx. These are so incredibly comfortable and flattering. I wear these with oversized sweaters. I love how these look on me. They're so comfortable. I wear them for anything and everything because you can dress these down, you can dress them up, you can wear them with heels, you can wear them with tennis shoes, you can wear them with anything. Getting yourself a pair of leather leggings, I feel like it's just such a staple this fall. I do not regret getting a pair of good quality leather leggings because I have worn these too much. So I do have a pair of shoes that I wanted to mention that I have been obsessed over this fall, and that would be these Moto boots. Moto? Hannah, I always say it wrong. I personally was not on board with that at first. I was like, okay, that looks kind of like, I don't know, not my style, but oh my word, I love these. These are actually a little bit of a maroon burgundy shade, and I love wearing these with dresses and tights. These were really reasonable. I got them from H&M. I do love how these are like rainproof too. They're almost like winter rain boots. So I just have two candles that I really quickly wanted to mention that I have burned through like 4 of them, and that's kind of ridiculous, but I do love my candles. The Leaves candle, that's a given. I love the scent of this candle. It's the definition of home for me. Like, this makes me feel like I've come home. And I actually have that candle burning in the background here. It's another Leaves candle, so you can guess how many of those I've gone through. Another candle that I've fallen in love with from Bath & Body Works is the Autumn candle. This has just the perfect amount of sweetness to the scent that is not overpowering, but then there's that subtle fall scent in the background that just pulls it together. Bright red gala apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus leaf, fir balsam, and essential oils. I love balsam fir. Fir balsam? I don't know. 2 candles I've kind of been using quite a bit this month. No, not this month. This entire fall season so far. These have been my obsessions in candles. That completes all of my fall beauty basics, if you will. These have just been the go-to items for the fall for me, and some of them are recent, some of them have been over the span of a couple months, but I kind of just want to combine them all into one video instead of doing like a favorites video. Well, I guess this is a favorites video, but you know what I mean. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this type of content, and I will be sure to make more like this for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.